can always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be getting into a couple packages that I do have for you guys. I honestly do have a lot of packages to unbox, but I'm going to go ahead and divide it into two videos because I do not want this video to be over 20 minutes long. But right here we do have like 5 packages to talk about. We're going to start off with this package right here. If you guys have seen this sneaker around, you already know what this is. It is a Jordan 1 from the Fearless pack. We have the little card right here that comes inside the box. On the other side of it, you have the Jordan Jumpman logo with the little quote. It says, "Limits like fears are often just an illusion," with Michael Jordan's signature right under it. That's just a little card. They used to do retro cards back in the day that actually had the first 21 Jordans on it. I used to love those days. But right here, you got the little wrapping paper. Who cares about that? Put that to the side, and you do got the Jordan 1 Fearlesses. I've recorded this pair of sneakers in another video like months ago at this point, and the video got deleted. So hey, I'm not gonna miss out on the content. I'm gonna go ahead and slap them in this video. These are still a fire sneaker nonetheless. I feel like if you love Jordan 1s, this is definitely a fire contender for 2019. I love this colorway. You got the Chicago on the front, then you got the UNCs on the back. This is basically from a sneaker that they did a while ago, which was the Jordan 1 patent leather. I believe that was a mid though, and that's probably why a lot of people don't know about it. I feel like for this Jordan 1 right here, if it wasn't patent leather, it would be 10 times better. I honestly thought that the white on this would be regular leather, then the red and the blue would be patent leather. That actually would have been so fire, but this is a fire sneaker nonetheless. You got the red Nike Air on the front, you got the Wings logo, which is jewel right there on the side. As you can see, it shines with the light. Pretty clean, but I do feel like if this wasn't patent leather, like I said before, this shit would be insane. These are a little bit more uncomfortable than the regular Jordan 1s, to be honest. This also does come with the hang tag. I did take it off because I wore these already, and it does have that same quote that's on the card on the actual hang tag as well. These sneakers actually come with 3 different sets of laces besides the black ones that are already on there. That's how you know these are a special pair of sneakers, because normally they don't do this many laces, but you do have the red, the blue, and then the white alongside the black as well. But let's go ahead and move on to the next pickup. Next up, we actually got hit up by a brand called TIJN Eyewear. As you can see right here, they decided to go ahead and send me some glasses. On the front of the box, it basically says TIJN Story of Your Eyes, which is pretty cool. You do have this little paper which says, "Babe, we all need to daydream to stay inspired." Does have their information. I am gonna link them at the top of the description, and I'm also gonna go ahead and pop their Instagram right here for you guys. We do have a $5 off your first pair of glasses, but we do have this right there. Right here we have the first pair of glasses they decided to send me. It even has TIJN on the actual glasses case. That's a fire touch. I actually love the fact that they sent this as well. But right here we do have the first pair of glasses. These are the mega hipster glasses. You already know how we coming for next summer. These are fire, bro. I actually really am a fan of these. I don't know how they'll fit my face, but they look nice. It does have TIJN right here on the front as well. Come on, bro. I feel like I'm from Europe in these bitches, and everything looks blue right now. I low-key want to wear these for the rest of the video. Fire pair of glasses, bro. I definitely recommend to go ahead and check them out. They have a ton of variety, a ton of different colorways, pretty amazing quality. As you can see, they're flexible. Like, these aren't just gonna snap on you, but it is pretty fire in my opinion. That was the first pair of glasses. Second up, we have another pair right here, which again has the TIJN on the actual glasses case. And in here we do have, yo, these are so clean. These are perfect for like reading, for editing, which is what I do. I feel like these are perfect for that because they do have like a blue lens on it, and it pretty much helps you edit without getting that headache from seeing too many colors, which is honestly perfect, bro. I love these glasses right here. I used to wear so many clear glasses back in the day. I don't really need glasses, but I aesthetically love the way that they look on me, so I definitely will be using these. And when the summertime hits, you're gonna see me pull out those blue joints. But these are fire, bro. I definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check them out. I will link them at the top of the description, and if you are interested, make sure you use 5 free to get 5 off your first purchase. Definitely looking forward to editing in these and seeing the difference, because sometimes I do do get headaches from editing, this can possibly be a major assist. Besides the glasses, they do send you like a little chain in case you are trying to hang your glasses from your neck. But next up, we do have this package right here. We actually have a bunch of stickers in this package. We got the 8-ball sticker, which is the Martin Wong collab. We also got this other Martin Wong sticker, which is pretty clean in my opinion. I'm actually a fan of this sticker a lot, and it's pretty big, bro. We got this weird beard sticker right here. And inside this package, we do have this fire beanie, bro. We got like this fluorescent green S logo beanie. I'm a huge fan of this beanie. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. When I first bought this on the internet, I'm like, yo, it's a fire ass S logo. But what I never noticed is the fact that you got the box logo on the back. Double the lovin', bro. You cannot go wrong with this beanie right here. I got it in the heather gray colorway. I believe I was initially going for the navy color, but I took a L on that. I don't remember what else dropped this week, but I do know that I cooked up on this beanie right here. You got that Supreme box logo right there on the back of the beanie, or it could be the front. You got the New Era logo on the side. Then you got that little Chanel S logo right there as well. Could definitely not go wrong with this beanie one bit. It is actually stretchy as well, so it's not one of those condom beanies that just suctions your head and makes you look like a nipple. These are actually fire, and I'm a huge fan of this beanie right here. These are my last few pickups from Supreme Fall Winter 19. Rest in peace, Fall Winter 19. Hopefully next season we have a better one. But right here, I actually got a package from a store that I used to shop at a lot, and I actually stopped shopping there. I don't know why, mainly Supreme. I just started buying everything from Supreme. But right here we do have a little jacket that I picked up from Urban Outfitters. This is actually a fire ass jacket, bro. I was on their sale racks, which is basically where I shop from when I go there, and I saw this jacket. I'm like, yo, this shit is fire, bro. You cannot go wrong. It's like this plumish, like a dirty plum color. I'm a huge fan of this. I love the fact that it has a million pockets on it. You got a pocket on a pocket inside a pocket in this shit, and then you got like 4 pockets on the front right there. You don't have to wear a hood with it if you don't want to, but it does have a hood inside. It's just a fire jacket, bro. You can even put a patch right here if you decided to. It's fire, bro. You cannot go wrong with this jacket. I'm gonna throw it on for you guys so you can see the vibes. This is hard body. Like, you cannot go wrong with this right here. They actually had this in a black colorway as well. I was gonna ask you guys to let me know if I should pick that black one up. I feel like this was the better colorway because you don't normally see this on a jacket, but if I should pick the black one up, let me know in the comments. Now this second piece right here, I've been wearing almost a couple days straight. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I love these pants. It's some sweats, like some cozy ass sweats, and you have like this design on the front right there. It says ecstasy. Then it has like a whole bunch of other graphics that I don't even know what it says, to be honest. It has like an eye, a scorpion, just a bunch of random shit. What I do love about these is that they low-key match perfectly with my Ghetto Echelon hat, which you guys should definitely go check out. Ghetto Echelon is a fire brand that my homie started. You guys should go ahead and check out because they do go hard. But hey, that's beside the point. These do match perfectly. That's why I love them. They got like this print on the front. Then on the other leg at the bottom, it does say cry later with like an eye on it. I feel like these are so fire. And honestly, I went back there to try and find another pair that are similar to these, like in a different color, different style kinda, and that's when I found this jacket. But these are fire. We're about to get into the last pickup, then we're straight up out the building. So right here we have my last pickup from Supreme Fall Winter 19. Go ahead and pop this open for you guys. If you guys received this in the mail, you already know what's in here. In this package we got 2 stickers. We got the regular box logo, then we got this Martin Wong sticker as well. Hey, I'm good on that one. I wish I would have got another 8-ball, but inside that we have this here. Pop this open, and here we do have our Nutcracker. This is so clean, bro. I should have unboxed this on Christmas or like near Christmas time, but this is still fire. You got the little nut crack vibes. Just in case you're feeling a little feisty, you could go ahead and crack some nuts. It does say Supreme on the top right there, as you can see, and that's basically the branding on this. You got like this little chain. I'm gonna put it behind so you can see the Supreme on the front. That's the only branding on this piece, if I'm not mistaken. But this is a simple Nutcracker. It has the little sword on it. Sizing wise, as you can see, this is a pretty decent size. I would say it's like 1 foot tall, and that's not that bad. It says 2019 on the back right there. It doesn't say Supreme anywhere besides the hat, but this is definitely a fire piece to pick up. I was low-key sick this week because I believe this was box logo hoodie week, and I took a L on it, but at least we ended up with the Nutcracker. I feel like this is something I wouldn't have normally bought, but I bought it because, hey, I took an L on something some other shit that I wanted from Supreme. So you gotta grab what you grab, and this is not bad, bro. I'm glad I picked it up, honestly. But that is the last pickup that I had for Supreme Fall Winter 19 for today's video. Let me know if you guys did enjoy by slapping a like on this video down below. Let me know what was your favorite piece that I picked up, either the S logo beanie, the Nutcracker, the TIJN glasses, which are so fire in my opinion, this Urban Outfitter jacket, which was like $40, the sweats. I feel like we had a decent lineup of items, or the Fearless ones. But let me know what was your favorite piece. Let me know if I should pick up this jacket in the black colorway. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. And I feel like with all that being said, I should be getting out of here. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel.